This is Travis Walker from NorthForge3D.com. We're sitting here looking at the Trident CAD, and today we're going to cut the frame pieces that we need from 2020 Aluminum Extrusions. Just a couple of things I want to mention before that we get to that point. The most important things we need here, we need these pieces, and these pieces to all be the same length, and I'm going to explain what I mean. So I've switched this to the actual build size that I'm going to use for this printer. If I scroll down to the frame, it says that my uprights need to be 450 millimeters. I need 4 pieces, and that, if you go back to the CAD, is correct. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 frame pieces. We need 8 pieces for the top, bottom, and the gantry rails, which I don't show here. We need a few more. So we're going to cut 4 like this, 9 like this at 420. We're not going to worry about the other stuff yet. We'll worry about those in the next videos. For this one, we're just going to teach you how to cut the frame. And the thing that I want to clarify, this 450 number, whenever you're doing this, you want it to be as accurate as possible, but I need 4 pieces 450 millimeters. If I cut 4 pieces that are 451 millimeters, that's okay, as long as they're exactly the same length. My frame will be square when I build it. Same thing with the pieces for the cross rails at the top and the bottom. It says 420, but if I end up at 421 or 422, I'm less worried about this number and more worried about the actual number that everything matches, so that we can build a completely square frame. Let's get on with the cutting. Just sitting here setting up to cut up my frame for the dual gantry Trident. I've already cut the uprights. I'm working on the cross pieces and the gantry pieces and that stuff. You don't need anything elaborate to do this. You just need a basic saw, something to set the distance so that all of your cuts are the same. What's more important when you're building something like this is that all of your pieces are the same. For example, on my 450 millimeter uprights for this printer, it's more important that they're all exactly the same length and exactly cut square than it is they're 450 millimeters. If it ends up at 451 or 452, that's okay. Anyways, nothing complicated about this setup. I did take a couple of extra steps when I did this that'll save me headaches later. I made sure my saw blade was square to the back piece of my saw, and if you look at my saw is 1 degree off by the time it's square, but this single step will save me from shimming and stuff like that when we get to actually putting the frame together.